Hello friends, my name is Sylvia.
Hello, and my name is Stefan. We are a family, Spasovi, and we are from the Wine Lovers Design site. This is our dog, Bagheera. She likes to eat, and we like to drink.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good type of wine. This wine, this bottle, we bought about 5 years ago. Oh, 2005, excuse me. 10 years, 10 years ago. And good wine. We are drinking now. Only glass. Not more than this. And we're taking some cheese and some fat. Yellow cheese also. Because we like that. To drink small and to eat small. There is problem with the open bottle of wine. When you open it, the air is come inside, and this is the problem to preserve for the next time. For example, after 2-3 days or next day. Somebody using this type of cap, they're closing properly after open it. Here there is you can see inside there is air, like here also. There is a lot of air. This air is problem. You know, everybody knows that. And there is a lot of decisions about this problem. Somebody using pump, they put special cap and start pumping. This is good, it's working. But sometimes there is problem. Because you still have inside air. How to empty the air? We've got decision. One of these decisions, not only this, there is a lot of decisions, but ours also is working. For example, for the bottle, we have special bottle with bottom you can rotating, and by the piston you can up the level of the wine until the cap where the air is coming out, and after that you can close it properly and you have wine without air inside. But how to preserve here? You cannot rotate if the drum is about like this drum, 100 kilo, or like this 50 kilo or 150 kilo. For this we have special keg. We have special decision about this. You can see in our site also. In our site we're going to show you not only this. We got a lot of interesting things. But this is going to be next time. Now cheers again.
Very nice.
Good wine. Next time we're going to speak about the good meal, about
Delicious.
the wine is delicious.
Yes.
Yes, very nice. Because wine without this is not 100% enough. Thank you, and bye for the next time.